Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by creating your Linktree and choosing a brand username so your links look professional. Once done, connect your primary platforms, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, so traffic funnels correctly. Next, prepare 3 8-priority links, a hero link for the current campaign, product, or service page, and a sign-up or contact option. Make sure each URL and title are concise and mobile-friendly. This early organization saves time when you build the layout and turn on analytics. Now you build and customize. Order links by priority so the most important action sits at the top. Use thumbnails, icons, or short descriptors to improve click-through rate and adjust spacing so readers can scan quickly. Add integrations like payment buttons, mailing list signups, or forms to capture leads directly. Make sure to attach UTM parameters to campaign links so you can trace acquisition back to source. This enables data-driven tweaks as traffic comes in. Before you publish, test your Linktree on multiple devices and in private browser sessions so you catch redirect or display issues. Once live, promote the URL across profiles, email signatures, and paid ads, and swap links for new campaigns while monitoring analytics. Review click patterns weekly and run simple A/B tests on link titles or order to boost conversions. If a link fails, clear URL parameters. Check the destination site for blockers and republish the end.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.